the design of your website, this might look slightly different, but you should always have a top bar at the top of your website. And this is going to include things like your staff login, your parent login, school tour, school blogs. Now, if there is things on here that you want to change, you need to do this within your settings cog. Once you've logged into SchoolSpider, select your settings cog here, change your website's configuration, and then you're going to click on this top black bar tab here. And you'll see there's a few different options in which you can change. So you can hide things like your blogs, you can hide your parents area, your school tour. You can also customize your blog drop down. So you may have seen our blog video which shows you that you can have blog categories. This is where your category blog options are pulling from. You can also override titles like your staff login, your parent login, blogs, etc. So once you've made your changes within here, obviously just tick the boxes, untick the boxes, or enter the text within the relevant boxes here, and then just click save at the bottom, and that will update on your website.